when he begins teaching them, he said, first words, blessed, which means happy. This is verse 3. There we go. Verse 3, happy. It means prosperous. It means complete. When the word blessed, it means whole. I like the word prosperous because he said, here's the stupidity of it, prosperous are the poor. That don't make no sense. How can somebody be poor and still yet be prosperous? But notice, when you're with Jesus, things ain't what they look like. There's another level of things. You know, you can be walking around, and we know this in the world, you go around folks smiling, but inside, they all cut up, all toe up. But how you doing? I'm fine. But I want you to understand something when the flip on the Christian is this. You can see a Christian and they look normal and talk about how you doing. Oh, I'm excited. I'm rejoicing. But no, you don't seem like it. That's because you don't see what's on the inside. You don't see what's on the inside. But I'll tell you what, you keep talking to me about it. Then I need to let you know, I'm going to have to tell you, you better hold my mule. Because the more I start, because you know how some folk talk themselves up on a man. You know, they can start up, see, I can talk myself up on a praise. Right now, I'm going around, I'm just normal right now. But when I start taking a few moments and start thinking about what God has done for me, you better hold on for a minute, because I'll talk myself up on a praise. For some of y'all talk yourself up on a man, and you get folks like that, you know, talking themselves up on a man. They start talking. You know what? See, I'm tired of you. I'm tired of your mess. I'm tired of the way you've been talking to me. I'm tired of what's been going on. And you don't understand. I don't know who you think I am, but I ain't no fool. I ain't going to let you go on. You just keep going on talking about me like that. You know, this ain't going to go. This the last time. I'm telling you, you better, you hear what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying to you? I'm tired of you sitting up over here looking at me like that all the time. I see them expressions on your face. God! You ever seen folks like that? They talk themselves up, and the more they talk, the madder they get, start spitting and fuming. That's the world. But what Jesus is telling us something, that there's something that's on the outside that we have, but there's something on the inside. That inside that happens to us as Christians. Y'all got to learn to talk yourself up on the praise. When the world started bringing you problems, you got to learn how to speak up a praise for your own self. You got to learn how to be like David and find your strength in the Lord. Everybody else going down, but you start thinking about how God been. You look back on what God has done before. You look at what God has done before. Look what his promises are. Look what you can't find no better promises. And you done realize he done brought me this far. If he done brought me this far, the hell I'm going through right now ain't no hell at all. It looked like hell. But on the other side of that, I need you to realize that my God is still God. He's still on the throne. I'm still in the kingdom of heaven. Ain't nobody knocked God down. Last I checked, I'm still a child of God. And if I'm a child of God, I ain't got nothing to worry about, because my daddy mess with me. I'll call my daddy. I ain't got to talk myself up on a mad. I talk myself up on a praise, because when I started praising, I heard the word of God say, God inhabit the praises of his people. You better not let me praise, because if I praise, my God will show up. He'll take care of your behind. I don't need to talk myself up on a man. Talk myself up on a praise, because when I talk myself up on the praise, here come God. Be right there on time. And here he come, riding on a white horse, and all the angels coming with him. You call me, son. You call me. I'm right here. What's your need? I'm here for you. So like I say, they might be poor, but notice what Jesus said. Happy are the poor.